Want to wrap your weenie in something wild? Good, because your hot dog, bacon, and the air fryer are the thruple you never knew you needed. These are hot dogs. This is bacon. Wrap that dog like it's a last-minute gift. And the only wrapping paper you had was bacon. Tuck the ends in like you're hiding the good stuff. We want crispy, not chaotic. Forget preheating. 375 and straight in the air fryer, because we live on the edge. But don't walk away, that bacon's got trust issues. After about 7 minutes, or once your weenies look like this, drop those buns for 30 seconds so they get nice, warm, and toasty. Now it's a party. Slap on some cheese and toss them back in for 10 more seconds. Melty magic. If you've got a hot dog, some bacon, and an air fryer, you're 10 minutes away from greatness. Like, comment, and subscribe for more air fryer madness. And if you're hungry for another quickie, check out my air fryer crispy chicken wing recipe. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you.